Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so by clicking the bell. This week I'm back with week number 4 of our retinization process of the clinical solutions. It's been 4 weeks already, OMG. So I'm excited about this process. I just finished my retinization and just to give you a little results of what I've seen. I noticed that my face is a lot smoother, and also my face is brightened a little bit. It's brighter. It's getting that time of the month, so I do have some bumps on my face. It's not due to the retinization process. It's just bumps from it's that time of the month, and from me wearing the mask. I have some right here. I had the mask on. So I get it right here as well. And then we already talked about the scarring from here, from the mask, the bumps that it's leaving. So hopefully they will go away. We also talked about this little spot right here. I still see it and it's more vibrant now. I guess because my face is getting lighter. I don't know. But anyway, I'm enjoying the retinization process. As I have talked about it so many times before, I just want to give you a couple things about when you are doing the clinical solution. There is a protocol, so to speak, when you're on this clinical solution, because it is pure retinol, So once again, I'm taking this out of the case for you guys. This is the retinol 0.5, and this is our common milk. So we use these two together. So as you know that I'm using Time Wise Repair line for my cleansing. So I just add these in my steps. So once I wash my face, you always want to, after you cleanse your face, you want to apply the eye cream. You want to apply your eye cream. And the reason you're doing that is so that the retinol will not get close to your eyes. So that's like almost like a protective barrier, so to speak. You do your eyes first. You would want to do the retinization, the retinol, and then do eye cream, because it's kind of going to mix them together. You do not put the retinol around your eyes. So just so you know that. Also, you want to wait 5 to 10 minutes after cleansing your skin to let the natural oils return to the surface, which will decrease reaction to the retinol. So once I did all that, I set a timer, 10 minutes, set a timer, and I apply my eye cream. And then once that go off, I do one pump of the retinol. And all it takes is one pump, guys. So you just squeeze into everything come out of the tube that's coming with the pump. You don't add more. You don't need more. It's not going to prove no results. You just need to do one pump. So it's great to follow what it says, one pump. And then you do 2 pumps of this. So we in week 3, we did week 3 last week, week 4. So once again, what I did tonight was I applied pure retinol. So I did apply retinol. In the previous weeks, we was diluting it. So week 3 and 4, I applied it. So I have not diluted it. So this week I was, once again, I'm able to put it all on the pure retinol at the beginning. So I did that, and once again, I have not experienced any redness or drying out. So these are some of the things that you may experience. Temporary redness, dryness, flaking may occur during the retinization. I did do a prior video when it was dry right here and flaked a little bit for my dry skin. So I did do that. But when your skin does that, that's why you apply the facial milk right here. So you apply that. So like today, I went for a walk and the sun is out. So you always want to make sure that you have some SPF 30, and then that you cover yourself with this as well. So also during the retinization process, you're not using any exfoliators. That is microdermabrasion, the facial peel, or any mask, charcoal, renewing gel mask, and none of those. So I love all of those exfoliators and I do miss them, but I'm sticking to what it says, and it's no exfoliators. No typical vitamin C products. So I had just started my plus E, so I had to stop that. I was loving that as well. And no clear acne products. So we do have a clear proof line. You cannot use that with this retinization process. And also another one of my favorites, the hydrogel eye patches. We cannot use that. And boy, am I missing my skin invigorating brush. I'm missing it. So cannot use that. So you will be able to reintroduce these products once your skin gradually get used to the retinization process. If your skin is sensitive, everybody's skin is different. If it's sensitive, you can move through the retinization process more slowly. So like I'm doing pure retinol, if your skin was not ready for that, then you could have kept going with diluting it. So I haven't had any problems, as I stated. So these past 2 weeks I've been doing pure retinol. What else I want to say? I did mention you do not apply around your eyes. You cannot use this product, the clinical solutions, if you are pregnant or nursing. So pregnant ladies, or if you're nursing, you cannot use this clinical solutions. Also, do not use this 1 week prior to surgery that's requiring anesthesia. So you cannot do it if you have to be put under. No, you cannot use this product. And do not use 3 days before facial waxing or brow waxing. This does not replace your skincare routine. You still would need to have a good skin routine. So like I stated before, I use the Time Wise Repair skincare set. We have the Time Wise 3D. We have Botanicals. We have the Naturally line. So any one of those you can use. When we're going through this, going through the process, you need to be aware that retinol is sensitive to heat and light. So you cannot leave it. It's not recommended for you to leave it in your car. And I wouldn't leave it outside in the cold either. So I would not leave it outside or in my purse anywhere during the hot times. So anybody have any questions, please let me know. I'm going to be posting pictures. So pictures. Week 4. I want to do some comparison pictures. I also have been keeping track of my retinization process. We in week 4 already. We have 4 more weeks to go. I'm excited about it to see what is happening. So week 5 and 6 is gonna change again. Yay! So week 5 and 6, I'm gonna be able to use it twice a week. Twice. I was told by my director that I will see some more results for as wrinkles be gone. So I'm excited about that. So I'll be using it twice a week. Oh my gosh. So for as my skin, I really don't feel like I have any skin problems, but I did want to try this. I really did. So once again, if you're interested in the clinical solutions, this is the Retinol 0.5, and this is our Common Milk. These two go together. And just say I have not experienced any redness or tingle or burning anything, but you can put this on throughout the day if you was experiencing any of those symptoms. And also during the daytime, I do my regular skincare routine, and before my moisturize, my SPF, I put some milk on. So that's the extra barrier, give me some extra protection from the sun. What else I want to say? If you're thinking about this, do not be scared. It's just a process. You just have to be disciplined. That's why it's important that you already have a good skincare regimen, something that you're doing every day, washing your face morning and night. So you can just easily slide this clinical solutions in there. It won't be a problem adding something to it. And you just have to be adding this for 8 weeks into your skincare regimen that you already have. Prior to this, you guys, I did the 21-day skincare challenge, and that was including washing my face day and night. So that got me into the routine. So every week I'm looking forward to Thursday because I know, hey, I'm about to do my retinization process. But like I said, any questions, you can find out more information on my MK VIP page on Facebook. Also here on my YouTube channel, you can go back to look at week 1, 2, and 3 to see everything I said. If I left out something, I tried to add a little more to it as time go by. But I'm loving this product so far. As I stated, my skin is so soft. It is really soft. I thought it was soft before, but it is really soft. So the first thing that I noticed as using it, my skin was soft, and I did notice that my skin brightened up a little. So I do like both of those things for my results. So this is my review on week 4 of the retinization process of the clinical solutions. Please, if you have any questions, let me know. Do not be afraid to ask me. I have the answers for you. So just let me know. Once again, please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel and share if anyone that you know that needs a Mary Kay consultant, please share my information with them. Thank you, and stay tuned for more Mary Kay videos just for you. Bye-bye.